Let's learn how to multiply polynomials using the box method. First up, I'm going to count how many terms does each polynomial has. So the first one has 2 terms. If you don't know what a term is, it is basically how many expressions there are beside a plus or a minus. Okay, I'm going to count how many terms does the second one have, and it has 3 terms. Okay, now I'm going to draw my box, which kind of looks like a rectangle. But how many rows or columns my box is going to have? Well, it depends on how many terms are there, which you already figured out. Now, the order can be random. We can make a 2 by 3 or a 3 by 2, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to make a 2 by 3 box. Now I'm going to put each term on the side of each cell. Cell is a small rectangle that has been created after we drew those lines. So I'm going to put X right here, and the plus 2 is going to be right next to it. Always remember, sign before the term always belong to the term. That's why I put the plus next to the 2, not with the x. And I'm going to put the x squared plus 3x minus 6 on this side as well. Now what goes inside each of those cells? Well, the multiple of each corresponding terms goes into the cell. So in this case, in this box, it would be x times x squared, which should give me an x cubed. In this box, I'll draw 2 lines just like this one. I see that plus 2 and x squared multiply here, and they intersect here. So that means plus 2 times x squared would go inside that. So 2 times x squared should be 2x squared. And I'm going to fill the rest of the table in this order. Now I'm going to draw diagonal lines from one end of the cell to the other. So it's going to look something like this. This. The ones that are connected by line, that means they're the like terms. So they're going to be added up, which will simplify our expression. So the x cubed does not connect with anything, so I'm going to put x cubed right on its side. 2x squared and 3x squared, they connect up. So I'm going to put their sum right next to the x cubed. So 2x squared plus 3x squared should be 5x squared. The same rule follows for 6x and negative 6x. When I combine these two up, I get 0, so I'm going to put nothing for that. Negative 12, however, is not connected with anything, so I'm going to put negative 12 right next to the 5x squared. And there you go, there's your answer.